Alright, good morning. Pardon me. So we were having some issues with this engine, so I'm going to double check the valve and the ignition timing. I also realized I'm out of town this weekend, so we're going to do all this, and I'm not going to be able to try it out until much later. So first thing we need to figure out is what top dead center is. So make sure we're turning the engine in the correct direction. And what I'm going to do is, because these are interference engines, I'm going to push down on the intake valve, and I hope you can see as I turn here. Oh. There, I can feel it, that's where the piston hits the valve. So if we keep rotating the correct direction, which is clockwise, from here, that is bottom dead center because the notch is on the other side here. And then if I push the valve in, I should feel it right there again, top dead center. And then bottom dead center. And at this point, the exhaust valve is just opening, so it rotates up and up, and there's top dead center again, and the exhaust valve just closed. So it looks like the exhaust valve timing is in good shape. So we'll rotate this again until we hit. So that's top dead center is that. And I need to check the back side here is, I haven't moved the flywheel. I'm going to try and turn this. You can see the magnet is visible here, I think. Yeah. Let me get a flashlight on that. The magnet is visible. There. Right. Yeah. Get the wire out of the way. The magnet is visible there, but it's not quite in front of the sensor, so I don't know if it's sparking at exactly top dead center or not. It could be sparking after, and these little engines, because there's so little fuel and air available to them, as soon as the timing goes out a teeny bit, they really get, they lose a lot of power. So grab some batteries. And get our spark plug out so we can watch it. Now before I turn this on, I'm going to check again. Alright, so that was top dead center there. So rotate this. And it's not sparking at all. I have a lot of batteries here, so I must have grabbed some dead ones. the nice thing about these ignition modules is they will run on basically any battery until they are absolutely, completely toast. So, set those aside, grab some more out of the battery bucket, and try this again. That's our top dead center mark, so we'll move off of there. And again, yeah. All right. Oh. So that's where it sparked. And that's sparking about here, and it's top dead center is about there. So it looks like it's a little advanced actually. So see about moving that the slightest bit. Now, we'll feel where top dead center is. There, top dead center is about there now, which is slightly, I'll just move slightly, and now we'll, aha, we're sparking on top dead center now. Cool. So that's hopefully gonna make this engine run now that we have double checked everything. If I have any more issues, I've watched other videos about these engines, and the head here is actually tied in by the governor mechanism, so you can't just pop the head off really quick to look at it. So I'm going to try this again before I check the head, and if I can get it running without popping the head off to look at, then I will do that. But for now, looks like it's all in the correct order, so I will hopefully, when I get home from vacation in a couple weeks or a week or whatever, next time I get to play with this, hopefully it'll run really nicely. Yeah, so actually a little surprised. I expected there to be a lot more loose screws and stuff, because all these are so tiny. I mean, I'm using they're 1.5 and 2 millimeter grub screws on the engine, so, and they're in brass, so there's not a lot of purchase for them. But I'm gonna get these batteries out. Luck, next time we see this engine, it'll be running.